Hi guys, there is a message that I want to send you. Okay, this message is regarding your special person. This has been coming to me, so I have to give you this message. Like, have to, or I'm making this tarot card reading for you. Okay, let's see what is this love situation about your person is. I don't know who is this reading for, but if you're here, this will resonate with you. Okay, like, share, subscribe, comment down below. And any of you who wants to get your readings done, contact me through WhatsApp. Okay, the number is only in the description box below, guys. Do not follow any other people telling you that get readings. Get no, that's not me. You will find my number only in the description below. Let's see what your special person is telling you. Okay, there is a five of swords. Oh my god. Seven of pentacles. You know what? After you fought with your special person, this person, the fight that happened between you, after this person has been waiting to talk to you, this person actually feels like that both of you can work in the future. Okay, so your person feels that this can work in the future. Okay, there is a 10 of wands. You know what? They're not able to wait anymore. They are not able to carry the burden alone. This person has been like, I feel like this person has some kind of issues, how they want to tell you the feelings. So after you left this person, I'm getting that there's a vibe that they were not as strong alone in their life as strong as they were with you. So they wanted to, I feel like they couldn't tell you their feelings after you left, because you made them strong. You doubled their potential, you doubled their strength. And ever since you have been gone, this person is waiting to talk to you. This person is like fighting within themselves, and now they can't carry the responsibilities of their life. I feel like it has broken them. I feel like your your going away has broken them. Okay, the Queen of Wands. Yeah, they want to tell you something. The King of Coins. Right. You know what? In this particular scenario, this person feels like you're stable and you're working for yourself. This person feels like you're working for money now, and you won't need this person. This person feels like you're money minded now. Okay, and you are at the top of your game. Like, this person has a lot of things to say to you. Okay, this person is so drained out. Trust me, you guys, your special person is so drained out that they're not able to find their peace, find their rest, find their you know like, they feel like they have this urge to talk to you. They have this urge to come to you. They have this, again and again, they feel like this is something that is on their wish list. Probably they have to talk to you. They have to tell you the feelings at some point down the line, right? At some point down the line, like, this person you know what, your person has crossed so many time limits that this person has crossed, that one day, it's for them, it's like one day they want to talk to you. One day they will have to tell their feelings to you. But it's so, like, angels, universe, divine, their own heart, their own soul has told them so many times, go to her or him, go to them, go to them, go to them. And this person is like, one day I will do that. So this is this is your person's vibe. Like look at that, 10 of cups. You know what, I was, I'm getting the vibe from your person that they're delaying for no reason. A couple of days ago also, uh, I told this in a particular reading that that a particular person feels they have to come to you, but they're not able to come to you. They are like, they're delaying for no reason at all. This is not even their ego. It's just, when I told you that you double their strength, they don't have the strength to tell you. And because of the fight that happened, it's more like they want to do justice to the situation, justice to themselves, okay? And probably you denied this person that, you know what, don't talk to me, or maybe we are over, okay? Maybe you blocked this person, something like that. But there was a fight that is very open here, right? So the very first card is Five of Swords, is conflict. Like, I don't understand what you're saying, you don't understand what I'm saying, let's break up, right? So there was a fight, right? um but ever since after this fight, it's heavy on their heart. Your person is feeling it heavy in their heart, and they've been waiting for you. They've been like waiting to talk to you. You know what, there is this 10 of Cups card, which is like family, happiness, marriage, union, okay? And a good union, okay? Very happy union. This is what they want. They literally feel like you have money, you are money minded, or this person could have been money minded in the past also, okay? But they definitely feel like your money, which means it's something like knocking on their head, right? Knocking in their intuition that you're doing good, right? So money minded in good terms, that yeah, they are doing good without you. So their intuition is telling them that you're happy without them and you're doing good. So even if they come back, you're all set. You're like, you don't need them, something like that. Let's see more. This person is all about you, all about you right now. The Sun. First, the Queen of Wands. When I'm telling you that this person is all about you, I feel like they're keeping an eye on you. Look at that, the binoculars on this person. Look at that, they're keeping an eye on you somehow, okay? Look at this, the Sun. So if you're hopeful that yes, your person will contact you, if you're like getting intuitive thoughts about this, if you're feeling like the telepathy is going on and this person has you in their mind, yes, you're right about it, okay? If you have this feeling that this person is going to contact you very soon, it is true. Look at that, the Sun. Sometimes it's our intuition is actually telling us. And look at that, the Sun is also about solar plexus, which is your intuition. Gut feeling is very strong. Like, this is why I'm saying there is a Sun card, and I started talking about your intuition, right? So you have that in your feelings, that yes, this person is about to contact you, and we need to sort something out. We need to sort our differences. So this is about your differences that you guys need to sort it out. Maybe, I don't know, let's find out. This person is keeping tabs on you. This person is also feeling like, if this person is like, what do we say, so there is a term called shady, but this person is not shady. This person is Shady is someone who hides something that they're doing, but this person is more like, I don't wanna, like, thinking about themselves. I don't want to show my person how I look right now, right? So they could be very, very messy in their, in their life right now. Messy means um look wise, right? Not taking care of their proper hygiene wise, and they could be running some errands wise, so they don't want you to look at them, something like that. Very concerned about how they look right now, but they don't want you to see that. But this person is keeping tabs on you. This is how they know that, like, you're going good. You're going good, okay, with your finances, with your career. This is why how they know that. There's a Queen of Wands. Look at the binoculars on this person. 1111. Binoculars on this person, right? So this person is keeping tabs on you from far away. From far away. And not that, not that they would come to your, where you live, not that they would actually visit you somewhere and just see you. No. This person is keeping tabs on you. How? Social media, WhatsApp, watching your status, or maybe you've blocked them, but they're like making an extra account to see you. 1111 1144 on the Queen of Wands, looking at you, keeping tabs on you. Yeah, so this person could also be talking to your friends about you. Let's see more. This person is looking to grow with you guys. The High Priestess, you know it. There's the intuition. High intuition. You're very sacred. Sacred, you may have a halo. You could be glowing. There's the anxiety card, like nine of swords. Thinking too much, overthinking. Oh my god. You are overthinking probably, okay? Or this person is overthinking right now. Because this is going on about your person. And suddenly your feelings have started to come up here. I don't know why. Let's see more. Oh my god. Look at that. 10 of Cups. 9 of Cups. There's a marriage. Look at that. Sun and the High Priestess. This is happening at the, major level in your life. This is 1313. There's the Emperor. This person is really like, yeah, so you are dipping into your intuition, okay? You're looking at the sun. You are in the sun. You are like in the divine light, something like that. Absolutely, you're in the divine light. This is why your person is like keeping tabs on you, and they are feeling like insecure about how they the messy they could have been, okay? um you're in the limelight, you're in the divine light, at least, because that's why I can see that you have a halo, right? You have a protection. There is three. I'm getting 3 1s again and again. 3 1s again and again. 1 1 1 1 1 1 again and again. 1 is your sign, okay? Sun is your sign. Like, sun is your life, okay? Divine light, you could be choosing divine light right now. Being in divine light gives you the most protection ever, okay? I mean, is that a secret anymore? No, I told you, okay? This is the Emperor, okay? Oh my god, this person could be coming to your house with family and asking to marry you. Look at that. This Emperor is like towards the marriage right now. This Emperor is your person. With the Queen of Wands, that gives me all the answers. Queen of Wands is your person. The Emperor is your person. Number 9 is coming for your person. Yeah, I feel like there is a communication that is missing here very strongly, okay? I've received one more card, which is Queen of Cups. There will be a communication. There will be a communication between the you two. Look at that. Okay. I feel like your parents will actually be talking to you, like your parents, your family will be talking to you also if you want to I feel like there is a marriage proposal involved here. Your parents would be talking to you and telling you like do you want to marry this person, because I feel like there is a separation and you have cried about that for a very long time, and then you had to let go, you had to move on. So you are going good right now, and your parents feel like very concerning to me, like I don't know, but your parents are very concerning. Whosoever is in your home who knows about this, they feel like concerning, like do you want this to happen? So nature, universe, divine will ask you, prompt you again and again and again whether you want to get settled with this person or not. For you, I feel like you are the queen of all. Like there is a king of one, jack of all, but you are the queen of all. And because you're the high priestess, you're in the sun, you're the king of coins, you're the queen of cups. I think you have very high standards. Some of you, okay, you have very high standards. And it's just not the standards that you live by, it's more like your choices. Your you're choosing to be spiritual, because I'm getting intuition again and again. High priestess is more like a sacred person. High priestess is very loving with the queen of cups. High priestess is not just loving, but um, sometimes they are badass also, and they have to be, because you're in the limelight, the sun, you're choosing the sun, which means you're choosing your softer side, you're choosing your letting go vibe, you're choosing your sacrifices and surrendering, okay, and you're letting go, you're moving on. I feel like you're moving on. This is why this person is like, hey, let's talk, let's get married and this something like that, okay? But I feel like you've manifested this person back in your life. Oh yeah, this person is like, how are you growing? You're growing, right? Let's see more cards for you. Six of Pentacles. Someone is learning. Someone is learning from you, your person, obviously. Eight of Wands. Very soon, okay, what? The Star. I'll take one more card, okay? The Magician. You have manifested this person, but it's more like they're coming after a very long time. So I feel like you have lost your hopes with this person. The Judgment, right? This person is coming back for a second chance, and very soon. Look at that. This card was there for a reason. Eight of Wands is like very soon. Very soon they will be like, I want to get married to you. Let's get married. I want to date, not only date you, I want to get married to you. So the most stupid thing that you always wanted, which means you wanted to tell this to the whole world, that whole world know that you and this person is dating. This would have sounded the most stupid thing after this person left you. Now this person would do exactly the same, and you will feel like stupidity is happening. How the whole world knows, right? So first you wanted this, you had this inside of you, like the whole world knows that we are dating, right? And this person left you. Then you told yourself that I sound so stupid. How would everyone know that I and this person would have been dating? Now the tables have turned, and this person would do exactly that one stupid thing that you always wanted, but then this person made you look stupid. That, yeah, you and me to the whole world. So this person was scared. Literally, this person made you feel like you are the stupid person, right? And you were not. You were in love. And very soon this is coming to you. The Star. Very soon this is, yes, this is coming for you. And the Magician. They will talk to you, okay? They will talk to you. Right? So this reading was like, really? You guys are so great commentators on my channel. So I read all of your comments, but you guys know that I don't reply to your comments. But this reading was exactly like how you guys comment. Some of you are like, yeah, now they don't have to come. Some of you are like, yes, I want them to come. So so many feelings, right? So I do read them, and I hope that this reading would find you at the right time. Okay, any of you wants to book your reading, book it through WhatsApp. And God bless you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.